All right, we're back at 29 minutes after. Semiconductors have been on a roll as of late. We're seeing big gains, up more than 50% so far this year. But do the fundamentals support these moves? Courtney Donahoe is tracking that for us. Courtney.
Well, hey there, Carol. There have been some positive signs in the chip industry. That demand is recovering. The Semiconductor Industry Association, otherwise known as SIA, said that they saw 5 straight months of improving sales. And lots of chip makers, they've been improving their outlook. We've been talking a lot about it here. 2 companies that come to mind, Intel and Texas Instruments. But do the fundamentals support the gains that we've been seeing? Well, I, along with my colleague Chris Rung, looked at the members of the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index to see how many of these companies have improved gross margins in the 2 most recent quarters. And out of 18 members of the index, only 3 have seen 2 consecutive quarters of gross margin improvement. Manpreet Singh, he's a research analyst at Profit Investment Management, says he was surprised by the results. He thought that there would be more than 3. But one interesting point, he asked if SanDisk was one of the names that came up, and it did. Singh says there is demand in the flash space. And another stock that came up on the list is computer memory chip maker Micron Technologies, best performer in the S&P so far over the past year. We talked about it earlier this week. And National Semiconductor, and their gross margins are at 61%. But I was also speaking to David Garrity of GVA Research. And he said that my search should have a lot more names popping up in the next quarter because of the economic recovery that we are seeing. Matt.
All right, Court, thanks very much. Now, SAP